So you want to learn how to bake this incredible whole grain bread with carob flour, linen seeds and pistachio. Here's Anna, who is going to tell us how to do it. Gluten Morgen everyone, and welcome to another baking video here at the Gluten Morgen Lab Barcelona. We have Anna Bellsola from Baluard Bakery in Barcelona, and she's going to teach us a new secret recipe. So Anna, welcome.
Hello Ramon, how are you?
Fine, and you?
Fine, thank you so much for inviting me.
Okay, so tell us and them which is the recipe that you're going to teach us today.
Ramon, today we're going to do a whole wheat bread.
Okay. 100%?
100% whole wheat. In our bakery, always we do whole wheat 100%. It's a simple bread, but full of flavor and properties.
Nutrients,
yes,
fiber, vitamins.
Yeah, this is one very simple. It has the flour, the sourdough, whatever. This year we changed the recipe and we added flour. It brings more properties to this bread.
Oh, yes. Excellent. There are a few
things. We have the seeds, pistachio and dark lean. With sourdough that we use, time to rest, and of course it has to be tasty. If it's not tasty, no bread.
Okay, so let's start.
So we're going to start the recipe, Ramon. It's an organic whole wheat flour. We always use organic because it's a whole grain which goes there inside, so it's important to be organic. We're going to mix the flour and
the sourdough starter. Good.
Okay.
Which is a stiff sourdough starter.
Yeah, it's a stiff sourdough starter. We have a liquid sourdough and we have a stiff sourdough.
And how many sourdough starters do you have at Baluard? Is it French, Baluard?
No, it's not French. It's the street where I started my first bakery 16 years ago.
It's Catalonian.
It's Baluard Street in the Barceloneta neighborhood in Barcelona.
In Barcelona.
Yes, so we're gonna put it
cut in small pieces.
Yeah, because we're mixing by hand, which is not very common for me or
for you. No, you don't
because
mix.
In the bakeries we always mix with a mixer. So
let's go back to the basics.
We're gonna go back to the basics, exactly. We're gonna add now the rest of the flour. This is the algarroba flour.
The algarroba flour.
We don't know the word in English.
Here is the meaning in English.
Okay, the salt.
Okay, this is sea salt.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
A bit of yeast.
A bit of yeast, which is optional.
It's optional.
Just a little bit. To help the sourdough to ferment a little bit faster.
You can put between 3-5 grams
per kilo of flour.
Which it means 0.5% or 0.2%. We're going to start the kneading.
So how do you feel mixing by hand again?
Well, it's different.
It's like you do every day at your bakery, right?
No, we'd never do it by hand.
But it's good to return to the origin.
Yeah, it's good and it's something very...
relaxing.
Yeah, relaxing.
It's like a baking therapy.
Yeah, of course.
Well, I started doing that. When I started baking bread, it was just my hobby, the weekend hobby, because it was relaxing. So I started doing baking bread and now...
Look now.
Hello. Do you want me to help you?
Okay, let's go.
Oh, no, you had to say no, it's okay. So tell me, you have many bakeries here in Barcelona.
Yes, I started with one.
Oh, with one, yes.
And now we have seven different cooking places where we knead, we shape, and we cook.
You go from one to the other, and do this in every bakery?
No, I have
every morning.
Super team of bakers.
Are you hiring?
Always hiring. Makes that the breads come every day.
Yeah, that's the most complicated thing, because you can bake just one good bread, but then to repeat it every day with a huge bunch of bread is not easy.
This is difficult. But I think it's been also the part where we have been more on it. I mean, on making
on the process,
on making good bread every day, and
like not standardize in an artisanal way.
But we've been very much on it. So I think for us the product has been always super important and the most important.
Are you lost with all the sourdough bread recipes that you find on the internet? Would you like to learn all the tips and tricks to make your own sourdough bread at home? Then I have the solution. I have designed the perfect masterclass of sourdough bread just made for you. By clicking the link on the description, you will learn how to make and take care of your sourdough starter, how to knead, shape, ferment, and bake your sourdough bread, how to use and read the baker's percentage, all the basic techniques to bake like a pro at home, and how to read and understand your dough. Don't miss out on it and click the link on the description right now. Okay, what do you think about the dough?
Well, it's super good.
Good?
Yes, super.
Okay, so we're done.
No, we have to add the seeds.
No, yes.
And everything, yeah.
These are the baker's arms.
Yes.
This is a Gluten Morgan style.
This is your style?
There's no style. That's a Gluten Morgan style.
Oh my God.
Okay, done. Okay. Let's bake it.
Now this has to rest.
Let's go put it back in the bowl and then we cover it, right?
Yeah, we cover it and we're gonna leave it here for 1 hour.
See you in 40 minutes. So take a look, Anna, it's been an hour and this dough has doubled in size.
Yes.
Incredible.
We're going to do it just 1 hour here, then we're going to divide 20 minutes more, then shaping, and then a long fermentation.
Okay.
We could change it and we could do it also in a first fermentation, a very long first fermentation, and then a shorter.
The second one should be shorter.
Yeah,
okay.
The day after.
It depends on what you want.
We're doing like this because for us it works good because we leave the breads to sleep already
overnight.
Shape it.
Okay.
And in the morning we just have to cook it.
Put it here on the counter.
The first fermentation, this one is very important for the flavor. We're going to divide.
Okay.
Okay.
It should wait
450 almost.
Almost.
Yeah,
there.
here. Oh, almost.
450 grams.
Oh, 438. To be exact, it's difficult.
Yeah,
huh?
Yeah, it's difficult. So what do we do now?
We're going to do a pre-shape. Okay, it's not the final shaping. It's just because we divided the dough and we need to let the dough rest like 20 minutes more. We're going to do a pre-shaping because this bread is going to be like this, like a batard, yes, an oval. Afterwards, it's easier for us to the final shaping.
Yes.
Well, it's not a very hydrated dough. It's easy to shape. No?
Okay, yes, it's easy.
It's it's difficult when you have a very hydrated dough to shape. It's much complicated. So we're going to leave the pieces for about 20 minutes, and we're going to put something on the top, just not to dry it.
Okay.
And then we're going to shape it.
Yes. Okay. Okay, Anna, so it's been 15 minutes. The time really flies here in your video.
Yes, it goes very fast.
Very fast. So let's shape them.
So we're going to shape it, and this is going to be the final shape.
The final shape.
Yeah, so what we do, we take the dough on the, like the uglier part in front of you, and we're going to smash a little bit, okay? It's important, the shaping that has strength and good shape it, because this bread is going to have to be the whole night for the last fermentation. So it has to have a good shaping so the day after you find it on the right way.
Okay. So I put it here on the linen.
Yeah. And you can shape it on a round shape too.
Round,
or
yeah,
whatever.
to make a boule.
Yes.
There.
I mean,
what do you think about this shaping?
Super, muy bien.
I feel intimidated.
No.
Shaping done, and now?
Now we just have to go to the final fermentation.
Which is fast.
No, it's long.
Long?
Long.
How long?
Until tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes. We're gonna put it on the fridge because the cold it's gonna stop the fermentation. If we leave this dot here until tomorrow, you're gonna find it a mess. Yeah.
Okay,
I mean, it's
so
gonna,
we need to
draw,
put it in the fridge.
Whatever. Yeah. So with the cold, the fermentation is gonna go very super slow, and it's gonna develop more the flavors.
And we're baking this tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay. I'll take this to the fridge, and you put the alarm. Okay.
Yeah.
At 7.
Better 7:15.
Oh, okay. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Ramon. 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 Ramon.
Okay, what a beautiful wake-up method that you have.
Sorry.
So I missed
you
my
woke up.
breakfast, no? But it's time to bake.
Now it's time to bake.
Okay.
We're gonna have breakfast later.
All right.
You see that they grow up. They are in a perfect shape.
Yes, they're beautiful.
They've been the whole night on the fridge. And now what we just need is to bake them.
The oven is preheated at what temperature?
We have it on 220 Celsius.
Celsius, which is 420 degrees Fahrenheit, right?
Okay, yeah.
And they will be baking there for around
20-25
with
minutes.
steam.
With the steam, yes.
Okay, so now it's
What
time
we
to
need
slash
to
it.
do is just to slash it. So we have here the breads already cooked. Have you seen how nice?
It's a little bit warm. Oh,
yeah.
I like that.
Well, they are in the
check
moment
that.
we can cut it and.
Oh.
Yeah, they are nice. And look how they broke here. And
Incredible.
they smell so good. They smell like bread.
Oof, like bread and the seeds.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh,
You can feel the cereal.
Yes.
Yeah, too. So now I think it's time to cut
to
them.
slice it. Okay. Ole. So here you have Anna. Cheers.
Cheers. We're gonna smell it.
Oh, it's incredible. I like the crust, which is thin and crispy. And the crumb is so moist. At the same
Yes.
time, it's a light bread.
It's a whole wheat bread. It's good, huh? The flavor.
Ooh, the pistachio. It was a little bit toasted, so.
Super good. And you can feel the sourdough too.
Oh, it's incredible.
Nice. I think because of the hydration we did, it's more fluffy.
Fluffy,
I mean,
yeah, and light. And also the process, which took
Yeah,
us
it has a lot of
long
process,
time.
yeah.
I had to let here.
Breads have to have process. This is the most important.
Congratulations, excellent bread and excellent recipe.
Thank you.
So, well, thank you for coming here to
welcome.
the Gluten Morgan Lab Barcelona. I know you came from a long way, no?
Very, very close.
Round the corner. So I hope you have enjoyed this new video in Barcelona. Please give us some comments. Visit her at Baluard. There are 7 bakers here in Barcelona. Share it, like it, and we'll see you on the next video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn more about sourdough bread and sourdough starter, I encourage you to check the link on the description. And remember, this masterclass was specially designed for you.